Hey guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can auto fit cells or you can say columns in your Excel worksheet. Okay, so if you have not already subscribed to the channel, please go and subscribe right now. So guys, a very common thing. I'll just say, for example, I love this place. Okay, oh sorry, this. See, now in order to fit what most people do, they do the this double click. Sometimes they move it like this or something. Okay. Now what if I tell you you can do it automatically and not manually? So what you are gonna do, just right click here and click on view code. Okay. So when you do that, this Visual Basic Editor will for applications will open. Go to worksheet. So you have to just type this here. You see cells dot entire column dot autofit. Okay, that's it. Just close it. Now I am back to this place. I'm back to the sheet. Now I'll write. I love this. Place. See what I did? I just pressed tab. It automatically changed it. See, now I'll type here. See, I have to do nothing. It's automatically working. So do you like this method? Let me know. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.